Hey newlyweds, how's it going? I just wanted to make this quick video to show you exactly step by step how to download your wedding videos and also what I personally would do with them once I've downloaded them. Over the years, I've had people send me questions and couldn't exactly figure it out, and I kind of just take it for granted because I'm kind of a computer nerd. But hopefully this video will make it perfectly clear exactly how to get your wedding videos and what to do with them. So let's head over to the computer. Okay, so here we are on my computer, and when you click the link that I send you to download your wedding videos, it'll lead you to a screen that looks pretty much just like this. Maybe slightly different since I'm logged in, but it'll have your wedding videos there, it'll say your name, and I recommend using a computer to download these videos, not your phone, just because the file sizes are pretty large and generally your computer is going to have more storage space than your phone. And also it'll make it easier for you to back up the files somewhere else, which I recommend doing either on a thumb drive or an external hard drive in case your computer crashes or something like that. And it'll also make it easier to share the files with your parents or grandparent or whoever you want. And something that's really important to know is that the link that I sent you will expire. So what was tripping up people sometimes in the past is they would go to click on the link and it would no longer be active. It'll last a couple months, but definitely download the videos from the link as soon as you can. I'm not sure why some people weren't downloading the video files. If you just play them from here, they're a really low quality and not the full 4K version. So definitely download the files so that you have them saved. So when you come to this screen, you'll have a little button up here that says download all, but it'll zip them all together. And I find that it goes really slow when it's zipping all the files together. But what I would do is each file, I would just download it individually. So you'll have a little download button. It'll say download. You can click on that. It'll bring up this little screen, can't scan file for viruses. That's okay. I didn't put any viruses on your wedding videos. And you just hit download anyway, and they will start downloading just like that. And in Windows, it'll look a little different, obviously, but it'll be in your downloads folder. And then you go to the next one, hit download. It'll say can't scan for viruses, download anyway, and it will start as well. And so you just do that for all your wedding videos, and then you will have them in your downloads folder. And then what I highly recommend doing is once you've downloaded your wedding videos, I would back them up somewhere, whether it's on another computer, or I have found the easiest way is just to get one of these cheap thumb drives off of Amazon. This one's $8, and get at least a 64 gigabyte thumb drive so you know all your wedding videos will fit onto one, and they're never really going to be above 64 gigabytes what I deliver, so you'll be safe there. And then you can put the files on a thumb drive that you can plug into the television to watch it, or it would make a great gift for a parent or a grandparent, or just it would be a good backup in case for some reason your hard drive were to crash on your computer or you lost it or something like that. So definitely create a backup. And if you want to go the cheapest route, these little thumb drives are the easiest way to do it.